Welcome to Mad Markets. Paul Theron is now going to give us a comprehensive and insightful view of what happened over the week. So if you could just start with the most important points of the week.
No, look, I was looking at it, preparing for a few hours as I do before these sessions every time. It's been a very bad week, very, very bad. I mean, for starters, Justin Bieber turned 18. Snooki, for those people who are big fans of the Jersey Shore show.
I'm actually worried that you even know she exists.
She's pregnant. So that shows you what happens if you spend too much time in a tanning salon, by the way. And, Julius Malema got rusticated, and now we've got to deal with that. That's very bad for comedians everywhere in terms of their news stories and so on and so forth. And we know that, Israel and Iran are on the brink. I mean, I was told reliably by a political analyst earlier in the week that it's fine because never in history has any country attacked another one that both have KFCs, Kentucky Fried Chickens. But then it turned out
that's not true.
Well, I don't know if it's true or not, but it sounded good. And then it turned out that, in fact, the KFC in Tehran is not, official. Yum Brands has denied it's got anything to do with it. It's like some guy who set up KFC Iran, downtown. So now I'm totally depressed, so we'll have to see. Maybe next week will be better. The iPad 3 launches next week. I'm sure things will look up.
Fantastic. Yes, very exciting. So let me just, let's recap what happened actually in the markets this week. Fantastic results out of a lot of the companies in South Africa. Construction looking slightly weak. ECB, LTRO, that was also the big focus. And the PMI, ISM numbers. And I think the NASDAQ hits above 3,000 points for the first time. I think we spoke about that a little earlier this week.
So we're taking out those milestones. I mean, we're still like 7% up for the year. So, the first 2 months have come and gone. Most people had a satisfactory end to the tax year in South Africa in terms of, capital moves and so on and so forth. So that's okay. We are looking good, as you say, in terms of earnings mostly. Some disappointments, but mostly surprises on the positive side. So that looks good.
I'm surprised, Paul, that you came with bad news because you're always so optimistic, especially ahead of the weekend.
Well, I was looking at another amusing statistic just to see if I can get you out of here with a big smile on your dial, and that is there was a survey which was trying to establish which was the worst cellular network in South Africa. And the comment that they came up with after looking at them all was that they're all equally bad. And the worst thing about it is that signing a contract with any of these guys locks you into a 24-month period. So the comment was, signing a contract with a South African cell phone network is like getting married. The service is quite good at the start, but the reception is terrible.
I'm going to end it there. Thank you so much, Paul, for joining us. Great to have you on the program. I hope you have a great weekend.